Imagine spending 30 minutes hooked up to an IV drip every few weeks just for cancer therapy. Now imagine doing the same treatment in 1 or 2 minutes under the skin. Would that change the world? Well, that future is here. Merck just received FDA approval for Keytruda Qlex, the subcutaneous version of Keytruda. This is a IV treatment for solid tumors in adults and adolescents for up to 12 years. Almost all the same indications as IV versions, but with a fraction of time and huge boost in convenience. Stick around, we're going to break down exactly what this means for patients, for oncologists, for clinics, and for even pharma recruiters. By the end, you will know whether Keytruda Qlex is a game changer or just another incremental tweak. Welcome back to my channel, RX Indian Pharmacist. I am registered licensed pharmacist with RX Indian Pharmacist channel, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. Let's begin. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. What is Keytruda Qlex and why it's approved now? Last year, I spoke with a clinical recruiter who said, "We're constantly struggling to find nurses willing to manage long IV infusions. The logistics just kill scheduling, patient satisfaction, clinic throughput. Today's news is likely to shift that problem significantly." So what is Keytruda Qlex? Keytruda, formulated for subcutaneous injection from Merck, designed to match all or most of the solid tumor indications of IV Keytruda. FDA approval details. Approved recently on September 19, 2025 for adults and pediatric patients aged 12 plus with solid tumor. Already approved for IV. 2 dosing regime: 395 milligrams for every 3 weeks or 790 milligrams for every 6 weeks. Administered subcutaneously. Why now? What problem is this solving? Traditional IV administration takes approximately 30 minutes infusion time plus prep plus monitoring. The subcutaneous version of this Keytruda cuts this down to 1 minute for every 3 weeks or 2 minutes for every 6 weeks. Huge time savings, isn't it? It's less burden on infusion chairs, less waiting, better patient experience. For clinics, this means throughput, scheduling, staffing efficiency. Recruiters could see demand for personal shift. Fewer infusion nurses, may be more training in subcut injections. Also, patent protection context. Keytruda's IV formulation patent expires in 2028. Subcutaneous may help extend commercial protection by being a differentiated product in the market. Ask your oncologist if Keytruda Qlex is an option for your cancer type and eligibility, especially if solid tumor indication and age is above 12 years. Understand the dosing schedule, 3 weeks versus 6 weeks, and what that means for your travel, monitoring, side effects, but know what to report. For clinicians and pharmacists, update protocols, preparation, storage. So if you find this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, RX Indian Pharmacist, for more useful videos like this. See you next week in another video like this. Until then, bye for now.